Yeah, I think
All right,
it's cool.
let's check out the
Looks like it's
slightly
more modern.
obstructed
Sure, you did
view.
get me, right? Did I?
Considered infinity balcony. Very similar to standard balcony. Still got the same
I don't know
bedding,
what colors they use.
chairs.
You never know.
And then if you look here, this is the infinite. Now the thing that makes this category a little different and maybe saves a little bit in the cost is the obstructed view. This is considered about 20% obstructed. Just to give you an idea. You still are able to see outside, but it's, again, just a 20%. Panoramic Ocean View. To me, it's kind of like beautiful.
Category L